This is the Perfect Seal wax ring with bolts kit that you can pick up at Home Depot or Lowe's for around $12. Sometimes you can get it on sale for about $8.99 or so. This video is going to be about why this is a bad option for some homeowners who have toilets with problems with their wax ring. Okay, so this little device, it comes with this little apparatus comes with a wax ring already inside. So there's the wax ring, and then all of this is rubber. So a lot of plumbers have chimed in and said that this is not the best option because this rubber can corrode over time due to different things that go down the toilet, such as cleaning agents, chlorine, bleach, and other agents apparently with minerals. All those detergents could effectively over time erode this rubber and plastic, so they don't recommend it. Another reason why this Perfect Seal wax ring with bolts kit is not recommended is because you get a lip at the bottom of your toilet. Fortunately, there's a lifetime limited warranty. I hope that includes the fact that if it doesn't work for you, you can return it. Or I don't know if someone wants to actually buy this and then go through the process of having it leak on you and then replace it. So one of the problems with this kit is after you install it, following the directions, you get this lip here, and this is not firmly in flush to the tile, so the gases can leak. The water doesn't leak, it flushes okay, but you get the gases coming from the drain, and that's not good. So if you go to the store, you can buy one of these shim kits that you can put underneath your toilet. And these work great, actually, to stop the wobbling. And I'll show you just now what that looks like. You only need like 2 or so. It says basically on the back you can just slip it underneath. However, this doesn't take care of the gases. And you don't want your bathroom to be stinking. But basically you would just slip it in underneath like this. And you can see the rocking pretty much stops. However, the problem is you still get the gases coming from underneath, and that's not good. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to, so we could have put the shim down and then using silicone RTV tub tile, we could have just siliconized the entire side, and that's recommended anyways. Go all the way around, but it's better to replace that thing with a regular standard wax ring. And here is the one made by Everbuilt. It's an extra thick wax ring. It's got this rubber or plastic flange that you can put that goes into the toilet drain hole, and this is extra thick, so when it compresses it's going to create a good seal. Here on the back you can see them mounting it with this part at the bottom of the toilet and that going into the toilet flange. So you put it upside down and you push it in. I recommend using the old school method. A lot of the plumbers out there still recommend it and use it. I'm going to actually, in this video, install this guy. It's nasty, but it's tried and true. So what you would do is you'd break a hole there and then install the wax ring. So installation again is Place bolts in the toilet flange with a secure retainer. Set the toilet inlet bowl upside down on a smooth surface. Remove the plastic tray from the wax ring and place it around the discharge opening. Press the wax ring softly in the toilet to install. Carefully lift the toilet belt over the flange. Okay, I'm actually going to do it the opposite. I'm going to install it in the hole and then put the toilet on there. That's probably not recommended, but that's what I've done in the past. It's just because, well, maybe we can do it. Just because it's hard to tilt the toilet, and just with one person. So let's remove the shims. We don't need the shims. And what we're going to do is we're going to next remove the toilet. So I'm going to get my 2 little wrenches and we'll go ahead and start removing. I did tighten it down and it made no difference. It's not recommended. I don't recommend this. If you got good luck with it, that's great, but I'm just going to go with what's tried and true and what lots of other people who are professionals do and use. I don't subscribe to be an expert, nor do I want to be. Anyways, I would just go with the old school way of doing things. It's proven. Some plumbers say that this perfect seal goes bad within a year. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lose some water here because I have water in here. I was trying to make sure. Oh yeah, there's a bit of water in there. Kind of gross, right? What can we do? Where can we put it? What's the most disgusting thing? Where's the most disgusting place? What's the safest thing? We'll just use a trash can. I was about to get a pot. That would be kind of gross. This is gonna leak. I do have a floor drain back here. You guys can see it. It's right back there. And that was done deliberately for this very reason. And these 3/8 inch 12-inch pipes, they go bad. I've just had a lot of bad luck with this guy. I mean, I just replaced this about 3 years ago, and it's already gone bad. So I won't be using that. I had to go buy a new one. So in the meantime, though, I'm going to go ahead and remove. I'm going to remove this bolt, and we're going to completely remove the perfect seal, because it's a perfect seal. Some people say always be wary of things that say that they're perfect, because I guess there's an axiom that there's no such thing as perfection. Maybe there is, but I certainly haven't seen it. Or sorry, I haven't. It hasn't happened for me. How's that? Is that fair? I don't know. I don't know. I don't get into philosophy. Alright. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lift this. And if you guys have bad backs, be careful. This is not good for your back. They say always use your thighs. Okay. Since I don't have any muscles, I'll just use whatever I can. So, and just hope it don't get hurt. Okay. We're going to see a lot of water come out because, oh man. Okay, so I have moved it. And let's take a look at that. take a look at that. Can everybody see what happened? That's what it would be looking like. Just take a look at that. So when you install the perfect seal, you might get something like that. And how are you to know that it installed properly? How are you to know? You're following the directions, and that's what you can wind up doing. Again, that's pretty flat. You can see the wax, it's been flattened down. So let us do the next step, which is to do the thing of removing the wax ring. And for that, we're going to put some Solomon on. I like Solomon, he's a good guy. Alright. How nasty, right? Okay. Whoa. Nasty. Whew. I mean, it does do a nice seal. You can see all the poop. Ah, yeah. You use it one time and it's gone. It's a goner. And, you know, look, there's no reason for that. There's no reason for that lip. My bottom of my toilet's been cleaned, so I'm not worried about that stuff. I cleaned it. But it's beautiful. I mean, it's a nice ring. But I think this little. I think that little lip right there, that small amount of lip, is what's keeping it from flushing down completely. So for my little 1/4 inch elevated toilet flange that I got there, it's not working. So I can't use it. So I am going to put my wax ring down. So what we want to do is open this up. It's alright, it's just wax. I mean, it looks like poop, but it's just wax. Right? It's just wax. It's all good. It feels good, trust me. It's just wax. I mean, it might feel like poop, but it's just wax. Waxy poop. So what they say to do is put this on the bottom of your toilet and then drop it. But since I'm going to be wiggling it around, I decided that I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to drop it in here. Like that. Okay? That's the way I've done it in the past. And that's how I'm going to do it today. Solomon's awesome. I think one of the reasons they want you to put it on the bottom of the toilet is they don't want it to move. So what we'll do, I decided to change my mind and I'm going to follow the instructions. So, okay. I just hope everybody can see this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pull this thing back some more. And maybe y'all be able to see it a little better. We kind of need some good music for this. Alright, gosh. There's a lot of water down here. I'm going to be getting wet. So let's take our wax ring. And let's put it in our poop hole. Oh! Oh gosh, bad idea. Oh, now there's water everywhere. like wrestle with this guy. Yeah, come on. It's a good idea to look at the bottom of your toilet anyways, right? Everybody? Can everybody see that? The dirty toilet? Yeah, spill that water. Okay, so there it is. I'm just gonna follow the directions. I pushed it in there. It's nice. Nice and wet. Feels good. I don't know, guys, this is not easy. So, that's what happens anyways, right? It falls down. So, I'm just gonna drop it in the hole. Alright. I did follow the directions, so I don't get blamed for that. I did it exactly how they told me to. Alright, that's on there sort of. So what I'm going to do now is twist a little and pray. You can see the wax coming out the wrong way. Oh yeah! Alright, I love it. It's like you're humping your toilet. Oh! You're humping with